Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to talk to you about an incredible product that promises to help you lose weight in an innovative way, Aeroslim. Aeroslim is a revolutionary supplement that aims to speed up your metabolic breathing rate, helping you breathe and burn fat more efficiently. Let's take a look at the ingredients and benefits of this product. Each Aeroslim tablet contains a proprietary blend of carefully selected botanicals and minerals. Here are some of the main ingredients. Vitamin D3, essential for bone and immune system health. Umqualobo extract, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ivy extract, helps with respiratory health. Verbascum extract benefits for the lungs. Tussilago farfara extract, traditionally used for respiratory problems. Serratiopeptidase, enzyme that helps reduce inflammation. Peppermint essential oil, soothing and refreshing properties. In addition to helping with weight loss, Aeroslim offers two incredible bonuses with the purchase of 3 or 6 bottles. Bonus 1. From Flab to Fab, a complete guide to firming and toning your skin. Bonus 2. Decadent Delights, delicious and healthy dessert recipes for you to enjoy without guilt. Using Aeroslim is simple. Take 1 pill a day and enjoy the benefits. Here are the available offers. 1 bottle, $69 with free shipping. 3 bottles, $177 with free shipping and 2 free bonuses. 6 bottles, $294 with free shipping and 2 free bonuses. And best of all, Aeroslim comes with a 60-day guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back. Customers are loving Aeroslim, with over 10,000 positive reviews. If you are looking for an effective and natural way to lose weight, Aeroslim could be the perfect solution for you. Do not miss this opportunity. Click on the link fixed in the comments below to place your order right now on the official website. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care of yourself and continue seeking a healthier life. Goodbye.